Do you ever feel like your home office just isn't inspiring enough? Maybe it's cluttered, lacks personality, or just doesn't function as well as it should. Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into some genius DIY ideas that will completely transform your workspace without breaking the bank. So grab your tools and let's get started on this exciting journey. If you're working with limited space, a wall-mounted desk is the perfect solution. It provides a sturdy surface for your work essentials while keeping the area feeling open and uncluttered. Plus, it's a project you can really put your own spin on. You can customize it to fit your exact needs and style preferences. First things first, you gotta find the right spot. Look around your home office. Is there a wall that just feels bare? Or maybe an awkward nook that you're not sure what to do with? That's prime real estate for a wall-mounted desk. Now, let's talk about the desk itself. You can go rustic with reclaimed wood, sleek and modern with a simple white surface, or even try something a little more unexpected with a vintage door. It's all about finding a style that speaks to you and fits the overall feel of your home office. Once you've got your tabletop chosen, it's time to think about support. Sturdy brackets are key here. You want something that can handle the weight of your computer, books, and anything else you'll be using your desk for. Make sure the brackets are rated for the weight you plan to put on the desk. Now for the fun part. Installation. This is where your vision really starts to come together. Use a level to make sure your brackets are straight, and then securely attach them to the wall, making sure to find studs for maximum support. Remember, safety first. If you're not comfortable with power tools, don't hesitate to call in a professional. With the brackets in place, you can go ahead and set your tabletop on top. And just like that, you've got yourself a brand new desk. But we're not stopping there. Let's add a few personal touches to really make this space feel like your own. Floating shelves above the desk are perfect for extra storage and displaying your favorite things. Add a small plant or a framed photo for a touch of personality. These little details can make a big difference in creating a welcoming workspace. And don't forget a comfortable chair. You'll be spending a lot of time here, so make sure it's a spot you love to sit in. There you have it. A stylish and functional wall-mounted desk that maximizes your space and inspires you to get to work. And the best part? You built it yourself. Tired of digging through drawers to find your supplies? Constantly losing track of your essentials? A DIY pegboard organizer keeps everything within reach, making your life so much easier. While making your workspace look sleek and organized, it's a win-win situation. And honestly, who doesn't love a good pegboard moment? It's both functional and stylish. They're so versatile and can be adapted to any space. We're gonna tackle that clutter head-on with this project, transforming your workspace. A pegboard is like a blank canvas for organization, ready to be customized. You can customize it to fit your exact needs, which is what I love about it. It's all about making it work for you. You can find pegboards at most hardware stores, and they come in different materials like metal, plastic, or even hardboard. There's something for every taste. I personally love the classic look of a wooden pegboard. It adds a touch of warmth to the space. But you can choose what works best for your style. The options are endless. Once you've got your pegboard, it's time to decide on its placement. Do you want it above your desk, on a side wall, or maybe even inside a cabinet door? Think about where it will be most useful. The possibilities are endless. You can get really creative with this. Now for the fun part, adding the hooks, shelves, and containers. This is where you can get really creative and personalize your organizer. Make it truly yours. Think about the items you use most often and find a dedicated spot for them on your pegboard. It's all about convenience. Hang your scissors, rulers, and washi tape within easy reach. No more searching for these items. Use small containers to store paper clips, push pins, and other small essentials. Keep everything in its place. And don't forget about shelves for notebooks, files, and even a few decorative items. Add a personal touch. See? No more digging through drawers or searching for that elusive stapler. Everything is right where you need it. Everything has its place, and your workspace looks instantly more organized and inviting. It's a transformation. And the best part is you can easily rearrange your pegboard organizer as your needs change. It's flexible. Just move the hooks and containers around until you find the perfect configuration. It's that simple. It's organization that evolves with you. Your workspace will always be ready for whatever comes next. Running out of desk space? Floating shelves are an easy and stylish way to store books, office supplies, and decor items without taking up valuable floor space. We're going to make the most of that vertical space and add some personality to your home office at the same time. Plus, floating shelves just add such a clean, modern feel to any room. You can find pre-made floating shelves at most home improvement stores, or you can easily build your own using simple lumber and brackets. If you're going for a rustic look, reclaimed wood is always a beautiful choice. Before you start installing, take some time to plan out the placement of your shelves. Consider the height of your desk and chair, and make sure the shelves are easily accessible. Once you've determined the perfect spot, use a level to mark the wall where you'll be installing the brackets. This is crucial for making sure your shelves are straight and secure. Now comes the fun part, styling your shelves. This is where you can really let your personality shine through. Stack books horizontally and vertically to create visual interest. Add some greenery with small potted plants or succulents. Display your favorite framed photos or artwork, and don't be afraid to mix and match different textures and materials. Floating shelves are not only practical for storage, but they also add a touch of style and personality to your home office. And the best part? They're a relatively easy and affordable DIY project that can make a big impact. Messy cords can make even the most beautiful workspace look chaotic. It's like they have a mind of their own, right? But don't worry, I've got some easy cable management hacks that will have your desk looking tidy and organized in no time. First things first, let's gather our supplies. You'll need some zip ties, Velcro straps, or even just some twist ties. You can also find cord organizers and clips at most office supply stores. Start by unplugging everything and detangling any cords that have gotten out of hand. I know it's a little tedious, but trust me, it'll be worth it. Now let's start grouping and labeling our cords. Use different colored zip ties or Velcro straps to bundle together cords that belong to the same device or area of your desk. For cords that run along the back of your desk, use adhesive clips to keep them neatly tucked away. You can also use these clips to route cords along the underside of your desk, keeping them off the floor and out of sight. If you have a power strip on the floor, consider using a cable management box to conceal it and keep cords organized. You can find these boxes at most home improvement stores. And there you have it. A few simple cable management hacks that can make a world of difference in the overall look and feel of your workspace. You'll be amazed at how much calmer and more organized your desk feels without all those cords cluttering up the space. Sitting for long hours can be tough on your posture and your feet. Let's make a DIY footrest for better comfort and support. You deserve a little pampering while you work, right? A footrest can make a world of difference. We're going to fix that right now with this easy and affordable project. No need to spend a fortune on store-bought options. It's amazing what a difference a little footrest can make. Your feet will feel supported and your posture will improve. There are so many different ways to make a footrest. You can get creative with materials you already have at home. You can use a simple wooden crate, a stack of sturdy books, or even a rolled-up yoga mat. The possibilities are endless. But today, we're going to make a custom footrest using a piece of foam and some fabric. This will give it a professional look and feel. First, measure your foot to determine the ideal size for your footrest. This ensures it fits you perfectly. You want it to be wide and long enough to comfortably support both of your feet. Precision is key here. Once you have your measurements, use a marker to trace the outline of your footrest onto the foam. Make sure the lines are clear, then carefully cut out the shape using a sharp pair of scissors or a utility knife. Take your time to get smooth edges. Now let's cover our foam footrest with some cozy fabric. This will make it both comfortable and stylish. Choose a fabric that is durable and easy to clean. You want it to last and be low maintenance. I love using a fun pattern fabric to add a pop of personality to my workspace. It makes the footrest unique. Lay your fabric face down on a flat surface and place the foam footrest on top. Make sure it's centered, then cut the fabric around the foam, leaving a few inches of excess fabric on all sides. This extra fabric will help in securing it. Now comes the fun part, wrapping the fabric around the foam and securing it in place. Make sure it's tight and smooth. You can use a staple gun, fabric glue, or even just some needle and thread. Choose the method that works best for you. And there you have it, a custom-made footrest that provides the perfect amount of support and comfort for your feet while you work. It's both functional and stylish. Your posture and your feet will thank you. Enjoy your new ergonomic setup. And there you have it. Simple, yet effective DIY projects to transform your home office into a stylish, organized, and functional space. Remember, Creating a space you love doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With a little creativity and some elbow grease, you can achieve amazing things. Which DIY idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing DIY content.